Hello, in this video I'm going to show you my latest results from my Charles Schwab brokerage account stock portfolio. This video is going to look at my individual stock performance portfolio for the week of August 22nd, 2022 through August 26th, 2022. So this week hasn't been the best week. Have another week here where I lost some money. My account lost $88.67 during this week. Now, however, I did contribute more money to this account. Now, what I'm trying to do is trying to get overall the account to $100,000 eventually. That's the goal. My short-term goal, though, is to get it to at least $5,000 by December 31st, 2022. So I got a few more months to do that. I think I'm on good track to do it. And part of doing that, other than hoping for a really good return on my investment, is to continually deposit money into this account. And that's what I did this week. I added $500 more. I started out this week with $2,100, added 500 more, and I lost $88. And now my current balance in this account is $2,572.08. So that's the ending value. I bought 10 shares of two different stocks. So two different stocks, but I bought 5 shares of each of those stocks. So I bought 10 shares this week. Ideally, I'd like to, before August is up, have this account over $3,000. We'll see, remains to be seen if that's going to happen. It requires me depositing more money into it as well. And hopefully, ideally, a good performance in terms of rate of return. Speaking of rate of return, if we look here, this week, I'm down 3.74% during the week from August 22nd to August 26th. But I'm not going to feel too bad because, as you see, most of the most common indexes that we use, that we refer to, are down as well. So the Russell 2000, that's been performing actually pretty good here the past few weeks. Well, that's when I've been paying attention to it. It hasn't been losing as much money. It lost less than I did. So mine is down 3.74%. Russell 2000, 2.93%. The S&P 500, I beat that, if you want to call losing less beating a certain index, but 4.02%. Dow Jones Industrial Average was down even more than that, 4.2% for this week. And the NASDAQ was barely down. So the NASDAQ outperformed pretty much all the other indexes and my individual stock brokerage account. So where do I go from here? The next thing I want to do with this account is buy more shares of companies that I think is going to perform well over the long haul. And I want this account to be nice to get it to $3,000 by the time the end of August rolls around. I'm still on track to meet my short-term goal of getting $5,000 in this account by the end of 2022, by the end of the year. And overall goal, the eye's still on the prize, $100,000 eventually in this brokerage account. All right, so that's how stock and market investing is. I'm learning this. I'm trying to get good at investing, and I know that this thing goes up and down and up and down. And as you see right here, that is so true. But overall, I'm still doing okay. So even though $88 might not sit well with some people, it's okay to me because I know that won't stay down there over time. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you want the latest videos on how to get good at investing and you want to follow my journey along to building this Charles Schwab stock portfolio. My goal is to document this process, documenting me getting good at investing, along with the hope of those who view these videos might learn something, might save them some money in terms of becoming better investors, and they'll make themselves some money and can pursue their own financial freedom. So go ahead and hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest updates, and take care.